Okay, so my name is Will Olson. I got a 171 on the LSAT and went to Emory University for undergrad, and I'm going to be going to University of Minnesota Law in the fall. I think there was more clear flexibility with the approach, and I know for me, at the point of studying I was at, I knew that I really needed focused attention on my weaknesses, and I thought Prep for Success, out of the companies I was looking at, was able to offer that the best and seem the most prepared to do that.
Mm.
Because a lot of other ones sort of have a very like structured approach, which Prep for Success also does have. But meeting with Camilo was really clear that they could be really flexible and figure out ways that I could specifically address the weaknesses and areas that I wanted to focus on. But yeah, I think for me, really what was great was I understood why I got stuff wrong much more consistently, which made it a lot easier to learn from my mistakes. I think the fact that it's one-on-one and the flexibility that Prep for Success offers are the two big advantages I see. One-on-one tutoring is never going to be the same as any sort of group tutoring you could find. And because Prep for Success has a lot of tutors, you can find a lot of flexibility. And if some tutor isn't working for you, they likely have another tutor they could find for you. And I think that is really right. I think the
Mhm.
flexibility, like I was able to do it on a really regular schedule by paying in advance in bulk, having a discount there, a slight discount
Mhm.
there is nice to have.
Yeah,
Save
yeah.
some money in the long run. I think there was a lot of things that made it much more appealing than other services.